Yesterday Hotpoint came out to this washing machine that is absolutely full of mould. Right, they're coming out next week to overhaul it. They're going to put a new casing on it, new seal, a complete new drawer where the soap dispenser goes. Right, but I bought yesterday from Hotpoint the cleaning powder. What they say will get rid of the mould out the washing machine. Whether this actually works or not, I just wanted to see for myself. But I'll show you the washing machine, and we'll see if it does clear what it's supposed to clear, and if it's not, if it's just a problem with these Hotpoint Aqualtis machines. So as you can see from the inside, on the seal, there's absolutely black mould built up, encased on the actual machine, and when it does a wash, it absolutely stinks. And there's black mould getting onto the clothes. Now I'll show you the inside of the drawer, and as you can see, that is absolutely built up with and encased with actual black fungus. So right, I'm going to pick out a sachet. Just put that down a minute. Now this is what Hotpoint say will clean the machine and bring it to get rid of the mould out of the machine. Whether it does or not, I'm not sure. You get 12 packets, and it should last a year, but the price of it is £14 from Hotpoint themselves when the drivers come out to service the washing machines. Right, so I'll open this. Open this, you pour it into the drawer of the actual washing machine, close the drawer, now switch the power on, and you set the washer on white onto a full boil at 90 degrees. Start the washing machine. And I'll stop it now, and I'll come back after the washing machine has done a full wash, which according to this will take 2 hours and 47 minutes, which is a bit of a long time, but you can't get that onto Facebook. It only allows 20 minutes per recording time.